3 класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Он любит желе. Страница 40, 42, 43. English, Spotlight 3. Homework. He loves jelly. Page number 40, 42, 43. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 40, 40. Arthur plus Rascal. Exercise number 1. Come on, Arthur. Let's go for Rascal. Hello, Rascal. Time to go home. 1, 2, quick. Get the fish, Rascal. Oh, good. Sit, Rascal, sit. Oh. Ah, well done, Rascal. No, he, good boy, Rascal. Come on, Arthur. Let's go for Rascal. Hello, Rascal. Time to go home. Oh, good. Sit, Rascal, sit. Oh, well done, Rascal. 1, 2, quick. Get the fish, Rascal. He. Drop it, Trixie. No, good boy, Rascal. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 42. He loves jelly. Exercise number 1. Listen and point, then sing along. Chicken with vegetables. Ice cream and chocolate. Water and lemonade. Pizza with cheese on it. Eggs in my sandwiches, burgers with chips. These are just some of my favorite things. He loves jelly. Прослушайте и отметьте, затем спойте песенку. Chicken with vegetables. Ice cream and chocolate. Water and lemonade. Pizza with cheese on it. Eggs in my sandwiches. Burgers with chips. These are just some of my favorite things. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Chit chat. What's your favorite food? Pizza, yum. What about you? Разговор. What's your favorite food? Pizza, yum. What about you? What's your favorite food? Burgers, yum. What about you? What's your favorite food? Chicken, yum. What about you? What's your favorite food? Ice cream, yum. What about you? What's your favorite food? Chocolate, yum. What about you? What's your favorite food? Vegetables, yum. What about you? What's your favorite food? Sandwiches, yum. What about you? My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 43. 43. Exercise number 3. Listen and read. Послушайте и прочитайте. What's your favorite food, Maya? Pizza, Yum. What about you? My favorite food is chips. I like chips, but I don't like burgers. Can I have some jelly, please? Here you are. Thank you. Do you like jelly? No, I don't. It's for Chuckles. He loves jelly. Here you are, Chuckles. Oh no, yuck. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read again and say yes or no. Maya likes burgers. Прочитай снова и скажи да или нет. Maya likes burgers. No. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.